All right, welcome back everyone to this video. In this video, we'll be taking a look at dialogue. So the first thing we want to do is actually head over to the dialogues tab on the left. We'll add a new dialogue and we can start adding things. All right, so I've gone ahead and filled out some information, basically just filling out a name and a title. And I've also added two options, yes or no. Now in the yes, I'm going to select another dialogue called yes. And this is going to be another dialogue. I'll show you in just a second. And then the no option, I'm going to follow up with okay, bye, or just no, another dialogue. So here you can see I have another dialogue, and here we have another dialogue called yes. And that's it. Now we can simply go to our scripts, and you can add this wherever you'd like. But the basic idea is, let's say we have the player join and go to add new action. We can simply search up dialogue and open dialogue for player. We can say the last triggering player, and the dialogue will open is the new dialogue. Now you can see when I open up the game, a new dialogue pops up. This is a random intro dialogue. Do you want to learn more about this game? We can hit yes, say yes. Okay, cool. And that's basically it. So if we said no, then obviously the other one would pop up. But yeah, that's it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, check out our channel down below, hit the subscribe button, comment, like, and share this video. I'll see you guys in the next video.